Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, YouTubers. Hope you're all well. Hope the weather's shining wherever you are. So this is a quick question video. So my motorcycle, my BMW R1250 RT has done 5,500 miles and the tyres are beginning to come to the end of their life. And I have a trip next week where I will do another 1,000 miles. And I think at that point then I'll be looking to replace my tyres. I've also had a question on the channel from one of my subscribers asking the same question. They've done 3,000 miles, the tyres are squaring off, so they want a recommendation for replacement. So two things for this video. One is, if you've got a recommendation, can you put them in the chat below? That's one thing, thank you very much. The second thing is I want to do a follow-up video to this, which is the actual recommendations. So if you're happy for me to reference you, so if you're Paul from California recommending Michelin Pilot Sport 5s, whatever, and you're happy for me to reference you, please do so. Because what I don't want to do is reference someone who hasn't given me express permission to name them on YouTube. I will pick out some recommendations, pitch them for the next week or so people have got a reference point of what are the recommended tyres. So thanks for that. Hope you're all well. Hope you're enjoying the weather and getting out there, and I'll talk to you all soon.